Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. This week we're down here at Heathcote Park Raceway. It's day 0 for Drag Challenge weekend. Everyone's signing in and we're actually about to go and hit the track. We've arranged with Heathcote Park to do a bit of a test and tune here today. They've capped it to 20 cars, so there's a few guys that are going to jump on board with us. We've got the Cresta here as usual, and we've also got Benny's Mustang. So let's dive right in. Maddie, hard at work?
Always.
So we did the test and tune today down here at Heathcote, and all things went well. The very last pass, I pulled into the Burnout Box and kind of felt a little bit of a knock or a vibration, and it's kind of like, oh, it's a bit odd, and did the burnout, did the run, didn't PB, but it was a pretty good run. Got to the end of the track and the knock and the vibration was just super bad. So I kind of thought about, I'd had that sort of problem before and started to think about it, and the first time it was the flex plate had actually come loose on the crank, and after we put it up on the hoist here now, it's the exact same problem. So basically the fix for that's going to be pulling the box out of the car. We're super lucky here in that Heathcote actually have a hoist for people to use. So if you're effectively a racer in need, the guys have actually got a nice little tough list 4-poster here, and yeah, Lance was kind enough to let us use it, even though that effectively the track is now shut. So yeah, we're going to basically drop the box out, fix the converter and all that sort of deal, and then we're going to put it back together, go to the accommodation and go to sleep, and come back and do it all again tomorrow. So we're going to keep on. So we're down here at day 1 of Drag Challenge weekend. We've started to get the car back together this morning. We didn't really do much of a wrap up last night because we basically got the box out, found a broken bolt in the crank, drilled that bolt out, spent tons of time on it. Shout out to Adam at MPW, actually, he came over and helped us last night. And there was a few other dudes here, I'm not exactly sure who they were, sorry about that. Also, massive thank you to Lance here at HPR for allowing us to use not only his hoist, but also running a generator for us to run the lights, running another generator to run a welder, and also him hot lapping back and forth, letting us use his own personal equipment. There was a few specialist things that we didn't have in the trailer. And also I, for some reason, took the spare flex plate bolts that I had in the trailer out. So this morning we've had to go into Bendigo and get, was it Bendigo or Ballarat? Bendigo, wherever. I'm not from Victoria, sorry. So got all the bolts and it's starting to go back together. We've got the flex plate in, Dad's just got that in and torqued. We've got 7 million litres of Loctite on it, so hopefully we can not have to deal with this again for a while. But now we're about to slip the box in, so let's keep on. Yep, that's off. Not gonna lie, scared the shit out of me just then. So we finally got it sorted. They've changed up the system a bit this weekend at Drag Challenge weekend, and they've actually run the lanes in classes. So we missed our first session. The second session's about to go out. So I'm really hoping we're going to get this one and done deal in the bag. I'm also really hoping that we don't get put in the right lane because it seems the left lane is much better. Adam at MPW just went down for a 770, so it's working. Yeah, massive thank you to Dad, Maddie, all the boys helping us out last night. Adam at MPW again, he was on all sorts of duties helping us. And yeah, together we pulled through to get it together. Again, massive thank you to Lance and the crew also here at HPR. Can't thank those guys enough for allowing us to use this shed and the hoist, because without them we'd probably still be trying to force a gearbox in. But we're going to keep on going.
Yeah! What's happening?
Just waiting for a mate.
Good place to wait for a mate.
Yeah.
How are you, Ben?
Very good, mate.
What's your run, mate?
851.
846. Day one in the bag, got our route map. Let's go.
Pack it up, let's go.
Jeez, what a gangster. Well, we've turned the day around. It's bloody hot here. You probably can't really see it on camera, but I'd say we're tipping probably mid-30s at the moment, and I'm squinty McGee because the sun's right there. But had a pretty good run, went 840 something, so I believe that puts us second in class currently. We'll see what the guy, there's a few guys that are sort of still running and they haven't put times in yet, but looking at the current standings as of about 2 o'clock right now, we're second in 6 hill, and Betty's gone 853 I think, 851 with the Mustang as well, so he should be third. So pretty stoked with those results, and looking at coming into the 6-cylinder class, it was going to be pretty pointy. There's about 4 or 5 cars that have run 8.2 or better, so yeah, it's a pretty fiercely contended class I think this year, but we're going to get on the road because we've got 430 kilometres up in front of us today. We're going to go out to the silos, a pretty nice scenic place to go and have a snap, and we're going to get some beverages at the servo and keep on trucking.
Windows up because aircon's on.
Put the filter back on.
Well,
Yeah, that's right. $2 25 cents a litre for 91. It's a bloody outrage, that is.
It's good ice cream.
Better than a gate one.
Paggers won the weirdest, most convoluted competition on a Tuesday award.
Doesn't matter,
It's
win's a
actually-
win.
And it's actually Friday.
A win's a win.
So are you just waiting for valet parking or? It's the late night uncut Benny show. Is everyone closed?